Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to manage shipping costs for your products on the TopDawg Import List. There are a few different options you can use, and depending on how you run your store, you can pick the method that works best for you. Whether you're on Shopify, Walmart or Amazon, I'll walk you through each option so you can decide what fits your setup. Let's get into it. At the top of your import list, you'll see a section labeled TD Default Shipping Cost. This is where you choose how your shipping fees are calculated and passed to your store. By default, it's set to Manage in My Store. This means your store will control all your shipping settings like rates, zones, and delivery methods directly from your store's platform. Now, if you're using Shopify and want to provide live shipping rates to your customers at checkout, this is the option we recommend. It lets you take advantage of carrier calculated shipping, which pulls real-time rates from major carriers like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. If that sounds like something you want to enable, you can check out our other video, How to Enable Carrier Calculated Shipping on Shopify. If you'd prefer TopDawg to handle the shipping calculations for you, you've got a few solid options built right in. You can choose from use low estimate, use average estimate, or use high estimate, depending on how conservative or flexible you want to be with shipping costs. Or, if you want to keep things super simple, you can just select Enter a Flat Rate and apply one fixed shipping price across the board. After choosing your shipping method, you'll see a few extra options for customization. You can add a percentage markup if you want to increase the shipping cost by a specific percentage, or you can add a flat dollar amount if you want to pad the cost with a fixed value. Or you can also roll the shipping cost into your product price by toggling on Include Shipping Cost in Price. That's great if you're offering free shipping at checkout. Now this part is important. Once you've set everything the right way you want it, make sure to click Apply. This saves your choices and starts updating the products in your import list with the new shipping settings. If you skip this step, none of your product changes will be saved, so don't miss it. Also, note if you've already synced some products to your store and you've just updated your shipping settings, there's one more step. Head to the top of your import list and click Bulk Actions after selecting the products you wish to update. Or you can use the Select All button. From the drop-down, select Update Store. That will push your updated shipping preferences, whether it's estimates, markups, or flat rates, to all the products already listed in your store. And that's it. You've got flexible options for how you manage shipping, whether you want to handle it in your store settings or let TopDawg do the estimating. Just choose what fits your setup, apply your changes, and update your store if needed.